Joel, and welcome to day 10 of the Joel and Show vlog series, Summer to Remember. Now, like usual, let's begin today with some good old video editing magic. There we go, let's go have some breakfast. Today begins with Gatorade and cream cheese and toast. Right then, so if this clip actually sounds windy, or if there's wind in the background, my apologies. But either way, welcome to day 10 of the Joel and Show vlog series, Summer to Remember. Now today is going to be a relatively laid back day. We're going to hop in the truck and go drive around with those family members that arrived, I believe 2 days ago, if I'm not mistaken. But either way, let's go ahead and hit the road.
Where they're going to hang out, and then the mom comes along and digs out an area, and then they den up right there.
Oh, okay.
But they're still sitting there.
Yeah. Makes you wonder if they're going to do it right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just don't breathe.
You could come out here in the middle of the thing and just honk your horn and wake all of them up.
Well, yeah, so I have the whole place
They'll
on
come
fire.
out.
Rise and shine.
Grizzly, huh?
Right.
863.
Right then, so it is now technically the beginning of day 11, but I, while editing yesterday's video, or today's video for you guys, completely fell asleep and didn't end up filming the outro, or sort of like the ending clip for yesterday's video, so I'm going to quickly film this, throw it into the video, upload it, and then beginning filming day 11. But either way, I wanted to quickly show the couple of things that I ended up getting, a couple of the stops that we made yesterday that I didn't get the chance to film. So the first thing that I ended up getting was this little fake shotgun shell that is actually a flashlight that has a little button on the back, as you can see, and it says Joel on one side, and on the other says Jackson's Hole, Wyoming. And then the other keychain says much the same, Jackson's Hole. It has my name right there, and then Wyoming below it. And then on the back, it just says Wyoming in some nice text. And I'll probably be putting one of these on my keys. And then here I have a metal made in the US fake license plate with my name on it. As you can see, it says USA, America. And then my favorite part, made in the USA. So here you can see the last thing that I ended up getting was a little sort of die-cast train. In particular, I believe this is some sort of F unit just based on the looks. These are around in like the 40s and stuff like that. And I'm also not sure if this is brass, if it's actual steel. I think it's brass based on the color, but that could just be a wash or like a tint. I don't really know. But either way, here on the back, if you open it up, as you can see, well, that's kind of funny. They've actually placed the door upside down on this one. Like you can see, the window is down here and it should be up here. But either way, this is actually a pencil sharpener. So you stick your pencil in there, sharpen it, and then, well, can't really hold many shavings, but when you're done, you'd open it up like that. But either way, I thought it was really interesting. I don't plan on using it as a pencil sharpener. I just want to make it as a display piece, or use it as a display piece, because I think it looked really nice. But either way, with that being said, there is day 10 of the Joel and me Show vlog series, Summer to Remember. Now, well, today for me, but tomorrow for you guys is going to be much the same, of just a driving day, going to the same spot where we saw that beer yesterday. I forgot the identification number of that particular one, but we're going to be looking for that beer again tomorrow, or, well, today for me. But either way, with that being said, I was Joel Homie, and if you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed making it,